Hello everyone, I'm really happy to present you my last tool, VRender. You can use this tool for create render vs viewport or for simulate render like this. Is really cool. Okay. You can use this tool with cycles with Eevee or cycles. Okay. And voilà. Okay. How to start? How to use? How to start with the tool? Open a new project. Start with a new project. Okay. Now I'm at this sample animation, as you can see. Okay. Now you can. Sorry. Okay. The format. Okay. Now open the asset browser. Select the tool VRender. Before you add the tool in your project, make sure you select in import setting append. Okay. Now you can drag and drop the tool in the project and reset the location and rotation value. If you press render, you have this. You can disable the outline selected, attack, extra. Okay. And voila. If you go now in generate VRender panel, if you increase the gen mode, you can see you have the rendering simulation. Okay. For the render mode, you can increase still. And now you can see you have this. Okay. If you want, you can change the camera size, resolution. The tool automatically adapt to your camera. Okay, as you can see. If you switch to versus mode, you can disable the bar, and now you have this. Okay, now how to add your viewport in this part. Okay, for that, just hide the tool. Okay, set your go in go to viewport shading, and now in for the set this. Oh, sorry. For the timeline, set this value, and select output image and folder. Okay. Up. And now you can press play and go to render play blast. Okay, now you can close. Okay, now open a shader editor and make sure you select VRender. Okay, select VRender, and now you can see you have this. Press tab, select this node and press tab, and now you can open the folder and select your image sequence. Make sure you enable auto refresh, very important. Enable auto refresh, and now you can return to timeline. Now, if you enable the tool and in Gen viewport enable image, you can see now you have the image sequence here. Enfin, the preview. Sorry. Okay. You can rotate the angle. And as you can see, you have the preview. If you switch to render mode, you can see the preview is there. And you can mix preview and the render, as you can see. Voilà. Pop, pop, pop. You can, if you want, you can use, if you, for render mode, you can use color. Okay. Okay. If you use image, you can play with the brightness. Okay. The teal color, teals, okay. And this option is if when you use the render mode, when the render ends, if you enable dissolve, the text automatically disable. Okay. In this part info, you have the text info. If you want to change this text, you can replace the text and the size 8, translate the default position. Okay. And voila. In shading, you can control the text color, the factor color, the text box, background, and the brightness. Voilà. This tool is available on my Patreon first, and in the next time for on the Blender Market. Thank you for watching this video.